Polling personnel for around 2,750 polling stations were dispatched today before the first phase of the Lok Sabha elections scheduled to be held tomorrow. In the East Khasi Hills district alone, except for the Sora civil subdivision, polling personnel have been dispatched for 879 polling stations. Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills district, who is also the returning officer for the Shillong parliamentary seat, SC Sadhu, said the election department will ensure the polling teams are safely dispatched. He said further arrangements have been made to see that live tracking from the dispatch center till they arrive. He also said Section 144 has been imposed as law and order arrangements have also been made. Chief Electoral Officer Dr. BDR Tiwari, while addressing the media today, informed that a total of 10.93 crore has been seized in Meghalaya since the imposition of the Model Code of Conduct in the state. He also informed that as many as 67 complaints received through the NGSP portal were resolved, also 9 C-Vigil cases resolved. So far, the election machineries have been bound down 1629 persons and 4 FIRs files for polls-related campaigns.
So preparation of the polls, first is that we have to ensure that our safe arrival of our polling teams with all materials intact. Today evening, our arrangements, particularly for vehicles, through vehicles and all with relevant materials, through proper security, we are ensuring that all our teams reach their respective polling stations by today evening, and by tomorrow we have ensured that all our teams should start this poll as per the scheduled time.
So total seizure pre-MCC is 33.45 crore and post-MCC total seizure is 10 crore and 93 lakh till today's morning figure. So total 67 complaints received through NGSP portal, 9 C-Vigil cases which we received are already resolved. So